Namaste and welcome. I am Sandhya. I am certified yoga therapist and yoga teacher with over 15 years of experience. This is our first video. In this series, we will learn yoga from the very beginning. In today's hectic life, many people have stomach issues. But remember, good digestion means good health. Our body needs 3 essentials: sattvic food, deep sleep, and Ashtanga Yoga. Today we will start with a simple 8 powerful asana, Vajrasana, that helps digestion. And guess what? This is the only asana you can do after eating. In this video, we will go deep into this asana. Watch till the end for powerful tips. Let's begin. Like Padmasana and Swastikasana, Vajrasana is also used for pranayam, dharana and dhyan. Let's learn 4 count method made for young people to enter and exit Vajrasana. Start sitting with legs straight. Count 1, fold left leg close to body. Count 2, fold right leg close to body and lift heels. Balance on toe with fingers on floor. Count 3, gently place knees on the floor. Count 4, toes together, heels apart. Sit between heels like on a chair. Back view of count 4. Toes together, heels apart, sit between the heels like on a chair. After 4 counting, hands in Drona Mudra. This is a Drona Mudra. Keep spine, neck and head straight. Look forward. Stay relaxed and breathe smoothly. To exit from Vajrasana in 4 count. Count 1, place hands beside you. Count 2, fingers on floor, lift knees, balance on toes. Count 3, stretch the left leg. Count 4, stretch the right leg. This 4 count exit helps to gently exit Vajrasana, as leg can feel numb after sitting for a while. These slow 4 count movements act like a mini exercise and helps avoid any jerky transition. Let's learn Vajrasana for elders and less flexible people using a 3 count method with rope support. Tie a strong rope with strong knot near a window for safe standing and sitting. Start in a standing position. Count 1. Hold the rope. Bend knees, balance on toes, heels up gently. Place knees down on the pillow. Count 2. Place one more pillow between thighs and calves. If needed, you can add one more pillow under ankle. Count 3. Toes together, heels apart. Sit between the heels like on the chair. Hands Drona Mudra. The ideal position is with hips and knees at the same level. Keep spine, neck and head straight. Look forward. Stay relaxed. Breathe smoothly. To exit from Vajrasana in a 3 count. Count 1. Place hands beside you. Count 2. Use rope. Lift up and remove pillow. Count 3. Stand straight again. Now let's discuss mistake to avoid in Vajrasana. First, don't lift your heels. For full benefits, keep your knees and hips at the same level. Second, don't lean to one side. Balance your weight on both heels. Third, don't bend forward. Sit tall to protect your spine. Let's discuss duration of Vajrasana. First, 1 to 5 minutes after meal. Second, slowly increase 10 to 15 minutes with regular practice. Experts can sit for up to an hour, but this should be done with care and gradual increases. Don't push yourself beyond your comfort level. Use cushion or blanket if needed. Here are the key benefits. First, calms the mind. Second, creates the natural bandha or lock in the lower body, helping blood flow upwards, which is good for digestion, gas and bloating. Third, improves blood flow in the lower abdomen and pelvic area. Fourth, Vajranadi gets more activated and it supports the sciatic nerve. Fifth, it is safe to do Vajrasana even after eating. Sixth, eases back pain, supports good posture and increases confidence. 7. Strengthens thighs, hips and pelvic muscles. 8. Reduces menstrual and urinary issues in women. Let's talk about who should avoid Vajrasana. Severe knee pain or injury. Second, ankle stiffness. Third, recent surgery of leg, spine and hips. Fourth, hernia or ulcers. Fifth, advanced arthritis, especially knees. Sixth, stiff joints. 7. Severe sciatica. 8. Varicose veins. Here are the 2 must-know yoga tips. These simple yoga tips can transform your day. Take a moment and note them down. That's all for today. If you enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell so you don't miss the next video. Follow us on Instagram for quick yoga and wellness reels. Follow us on Facebook for events and workshops. Links in description and pinned comment. Thank you for watching. Namaste and take care.